Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design team kit using in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So this is the kit selection. And before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how this game works and how you can create your tactic or build up your formation and how you can manage your club like player and finance. And also you can get this game for free if you are make a subscription in a Netflix app. You can directly install this game for free. Let's get started. I want to show you how you can a design team kit. Let's tap the first team here, tap and tap the edit button here. This one, kit selection. So you can select the color of your club, of your jersey or kit, for example, and also you can tap design to design choose the style for this kit. So you can also change the home, away, and also the third kit here. Please free to try design based on your preference or based on a real team. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.